All right, welcome to this premiere. I'm very happy to make this video. I haven't made so many premieres this year in 2023. I used to make more in 2022 and 2021, but yeah. So guys, the purpose of why I'm making this video is to talk about a serious investment that Michael Burry made, right? And it's an investment that has pretty much, I mean, it's a company that I've talked about since 2021. All right, the company's Safe Bulkers. So Safe Bulkers, ticker symbol SB, and it is trading at $2.99 as I'm doing the video. And they also have a 5-cent quarterly dividend, overall annual dividend of 20 cents. I've done many videos on Safe Bulkers since 2021. I've always said it's a great company, very well managed, amazing, and yeah, just didn't really, it didn't go down. If you look at the 5-year chart, it's way higher than what it used to be 5 years ago. So it's fine, but in particular, let's say in 2023, Safe Bulkers hasn't taken off, right? And why would Michael Burry buy this? This was the latest 13F filing, right? I did a video in a little while back talking about Michael Burry and that he bought Safe Bulkers. So I was thinking, why did he buy this? What's the point of him getting into Safe Bulkers? All right, it's one thing to say, hey, look, Michael Burry got into it because it was a new stake. This is a new stake. It's not like he had stock, had shares in this and decided to dollar cost average or anything, right? It's something that just keeps on, it's in my mind. I like the company, but I'm trying to figure out why Michael Burry decided to take a new stake. 128,000 shares is, it's not a small amount. Real quick, before I go any further, join my Discord. The link will be in the comment section below or in the about section of the channel or in the description of this video. So by joining my Discord, you have access to everything that I choose that I buy and when I sell. And those are ahead of time. You will always know when I will buy something before I buy it. And it's done live, also announced live and so on. So nothing, everything is as transparent as it gets. These numbers will shock you, but they're true because these things were all announced live on the Discord. I have called 251 stocks this year so far. 251 stocks, aside from the 44 that you're seeing, 251 that I called, and we were all able to sell those within this year, profitable. Those are gone, profitable. 251, I called them, right? 44 held so far open positions, 9 for a loss. So these are my numbers. If you like these numbers, which I think are great, join my Discord. You can also have access, obviously, to the rest of the traders in the Discord who are an amazing group of people, stunning, smart, they're great. And we also have amazing tools in the Discord, like access to the dark pool to know what's going on in the dark pool, exactly what trades are being done, quant alerts for what's a buy and what's not, halts immediately if something is halted, why, and it also gives you a green bar if it's going to go up after it resumes and so on. Insane tools, guys. Everything you need to seriously do really well. So that's that. The link will be in the comment section below, guys. And I think that with what I'm going to show you in this video, we'll pretty much get to the bottom of this, and we'll have known why Michael Burry got into it. So Michael Burry, the article that came out on August 14th, right, was that Michael Burry's Scion shorts stock market in Q2, and most retail investors or Reddit investors just stopped there. It made them feel better. Maybe they're losing money in their investments, so it makes them feel better to see that somebody's betting against the entire economy, the market. Anyways, and he also exited bank stocks. But if you had read the article, you would have seen at the bottom of the article where it states that Michael Burry initiated new positions in energy stocks and shipping industry, in particular Safe Bulkers. Now, Safe Bulkers is not a company that transports oil. They're in the dry bulk shipping industry. So they transport things like metals, iron ore, coal. Coal is not a metal. Just giving you different other things. What else? They also transport grain. I found a YouTube channel which is called Sea Trade Maritime News. I think it's a pretty awesome channel, and they have a lot of informative podcasts and interviews and information and experts talking about the maritime trade. One of the videos they had was 1 month ago with the title "Bonus Episode: Dry Bulk Shipping Market Outlook for Second Half of 2023." 10-minute video. All right, It's very, very informative, and I think people should check it out. If you're into the dry bulk shipping industry, if you're into investing in safe bulkers, if you have already stock in safe bulkers, and so on. So the guy is Playman, if I pronounce it right, Natskov. Yeah, so that's the guy. Here he is. Guy's a genius. Some of the things he said about the dry bulk shipping industry, and I noted them here so that you can also read them if you want. Some of the things that are affecting the dry bulk shipping industry in a negative way are noted here. China's reopening has disappointed this year, he says. In fact, they are running below last year's levels. Think about that. Chinese steel production is down from last year. That's insane. Chinese government but here's a positive part. And we know this. I think most of you had already read it for various other reasons. But the Chinese government lately had announced a package of stimulus measures for the property sector, which is they also announced for other sectors. But for the dry bulk shipping industry, we're focused on the property sector. If the property sector in China booms, so will the dry bulk shipping industry, because then all the good materials, all the materials needed for the property sector to boom will have to be shipped. Iron ore, and all that stuff, right? And they extended it to the end of 2024. Will these measures be sufficient to support the dry bulk shipping market? We don't know. Time will tell. But maybe Michael Burry is betting on that. Maybe he thinks that those measures are going to pay off, and the property sector is going to boom, and the dry bulk shipping industry is going to go up. That's one reason. Wait until I show you guys a second reason in a little bit. That second reason is very powerful. In fact, I think that is in combination with the Chinese government's stimulus measures, but mostly the second reason I'm going to show you is what I think attracted Michael Burry to safe bulkers, and it makes so much sense, and it is the reason why I think it is one of the, personally speaking for me, right? It's not for you. Don't take this as financial advice, but it is one of the safest investments I can make going forward for the next 12 to 24 months. So why is China important to the dry bulk shipping industry? The vast majority of trade is China focused. In the future, obviously, we can add India to this as they're trying to get in the game. The iron ore, for example, 60% of iron ore flows are going through China. Right? So think about that. It's very important for the dry bulk shipping industry. So we go to Cyan Asset Management LLC Q2 2023 13F Holdings. And we can see that, well, here was the article that's talking about Michael Burry taking a new stake in safe bulkers. And if we go to the 13F filing, here it is, safe bulkers, 127,525 shares. An analyst from Market Insider was asked about why Michael Burry would take a position in particular to safe bulkers. Why that stock? Right? Well, that analyst said that Burry may have piled into them because they are trading extremely cheap. That analyst is right, and I'm going to show you in a little bit what I mean by that, because that's pretty much the second powerful reason. This is very powerful. Watch this. Let me listen to this. And it's true what I'm about to. Even Warren Buffett said that. What did Warren Buffett say? If we buy stocks that are great, good companies, managed well, good financials, and the valuation is cheap, guess what? You're bound to make money, said Warren Buffett. Now watch what this analyst said about the beaten down stocks in the dry bulk shipping industry. He says beaten down stocks can rapidly swing higher, as any hint of upside momentum can prompt analysts to revise their earnings forecast and the market to reprice the stocks to reflect improved growth prospects. And when we go to safe bulkers, guys, this is a very, 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 very super cheaply undervalued stock. Very. For what the company is worth, what their financials are, what everything is about this company, the valuation is insanely attractive. And I think that Michael Burry says, you know what? This is a very attractive stock. It has a really good valuation. They give a dividend, and the industry is bound to recover and boom, right? The average price target for safe bulkers is $4. Safe bulkers right now is trading at $2.99. And if we look at the valuation, they're all across the board beating everybody in the sector. And I'm talking about safe bulkers. What you're looking at right now is safe bulkers valuation. EV to EBITDA is A+. The EV to EBITDA forward is A+. Any way you look at it, price to book forward, price to cash flow, price cash flow forward, dividend yield, everything has an A plus valuation. Their previous earnings were also great. They had an EPS of 12 cents, they beat that by 3 cents. Their revenue was 73.3 million, beat by 14 million. And the next earnings will be on October 30th, 2023. If we look at the latest news concerning the dry bulk shipping industry, we can see here on September 13, 2023, China's strong crude oil, coal, and iron ore imports flatter to deceive. Singapore iron ore hits over 5-month high as China loan data lifts sentiment, and the Baltic index extends gains as Panamax rates hit 4-month peak. Alright guys, that's it. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about safe bulkers, what you think about the dry bulk shipping industry. If you like this video, please consider sharing it in your social media networks to help my channel grow. If you want to, that would really help. Subscribe to the channel.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.